My name is Bandile Sondiaza. I'm doing project 3, BEng Tech in Electrical, Electronics and Communication at CUT. So basically, here I'm having my project, which is home automation system. It is in breadboard stage. One will say it is in prototype stage. So I'm having 3 sensors here. I'm having LDR, I'm having PIR, and also I'm having DHT11. So let me break down these 3 sensors. So the DHT11 will detect the temperature. When the temperature gets increased up until a certain threshold, which on my case it is 25 degrees, it should activate a fan to cool down the place. Then I'm having LDR, and LDR check the light sensitivity. So actually, if ever there's light, it senses light, it switches off the lights, and when it's dark, it senses the darkness, it switches on the light. So basically, like I said, it's an automation system. You don't have to go and press when it's dark outside. The outside lights, they detect that and they automatically switch on. So it checks the sufficient light. Is it low, is it high? So, and also I've made my LDR to work in hand with the servo motors. So the servo motors will be closing the curtains. So when the LDR detects lights from outside at the house, when there's low sufficient light, meaning it's dark, it should be on. The light should be on while the curtains are closing. And when it detects a certain amount of light from outside, it should open the curtains, the servo mode. But then I've set it in such a manner that there's a point where it detects the light. It's not going to be any case that maybe it's 4 o'clock, it's starting to get like there's a light, then it automatically opens the curtains. No, there's a certain point when it reaches, now be like, okay, it's in a phase that the curtains should be open. Then lastly, I have a PIR sensor, which detects the motion. So basically, when someone walks in, it's gonna light. When someone is not in that vicinity, it's not gonna light. So in this case, I've used the buzzer to detect the motion. So when someone comes in, the buzzer will be activated. When someone walks out, is not on that area within the PIR, it will not detect any motion. So let me take you through my project. I will start with the DHT. I'm supplying heat where we expect to have also basically I'm having LED red that will represent the DHT. So basically LDE red, it's in place of a fan. So because of I'm in a prototype stage, I felt like it is important for me to place, in place of fan, to place the LED red. So when it detects here a certain temperature that is above room temperature, it should be on. and I'll also show you on my LCD. Okay, let me show you first. This is there's no motion, and also the temperature, it's 21.8 degrees Celsius. So let's see when it increases with the help of heat. I'm supplying heat. And something that let me put a caution: you should be in a manner that you don't burn anything, so be vigilant while practicing this. Okay, let's keep supplying the heat. Let's keep supplying the heat. So here is it. It's above. It's activated. The LED. It's above 25 degrees Celsius. The LED, which is in terms of a fan. So now the room temperature have increased. So the DHT detects that, activates the fan. So now it's on. Yeah, that's first sensor. Here is it displayed on the LCD. Okay, the second one where we have here, it's the this one LDR sensor. So basically we said it should detect whether LDR, it should detect the sensor sufficient light. So now let's try to cover it in terms of there's gonna be low sufficient light, and we're gonna see our motor here moving, closing the curtains, and also this one, the outside light, which is the green LED, should be on. You see the LDR, the LED, the green one, it's on, which is now we have covered we have covered the LDR, meaning now it senses darkness. It's on. It's been on ever since I covered it. When I remove it changes. Let's take the motor, which is the curtains. Let's close again. The motor is moving. The servo motor gets activated, so it's closing the curtains. Our temperature is decreasing slowly this side, now we're gonna have now the motion. You see the temperature now, it's below 25. They said it should activate on. The LED red, it's off. So now we have a motion. Now the motion gets activated as soon as I take it. It gets activated as soon as I take it. You can sense there's a motion here. Okay, you can sense there's a motion here. So now it gets activated. It makes the buzzer here our buzzer. It makes the buzzer. Here is it. It gets activated when I place a hand in front. The motion detected with the help of the buzzer. So our motion, the PIR sensor gets detects the motion, which gets display on our LCD. We have a buzzer here. So basically that's my project that I'm busy with. This is one of the final